This is the Weather Extreme video, the morning edition for Friday, June 29th. I'm James Spann, getting set to cruise into the hottest weekend so far this summer, and temperatures will be very close to record levels. All right, let's check the Skycam shots early this morning at 5 o'clock. Coming from Trussville, a little bit of daylight there. Look at the lights of the city of Gadsden and downtown Haleyville up in Winston County. Ooh, the Death Ridge. You don't like to see that in summertime setting up really this early in the season. You know, for some reason, if it's in August, it's just more bearable for me because, you know, September and October is getting close, but it's pretty nasty. The upper high is basically right on top of us. There's a better look at that thing. And, of course, underneath that, you've got sinking air subsidence, so no hope of any cooling showers, at least through the weekend. Here's a look at the actual highs yesterday. How about St. Louis hitting 108? That's enough to get your attention. And even down here, Muscle Shoals at 105. The hotter readings were up in the Tennessee Valley, closer to the core of the heat. Down this way, it was 101 in Birmingham and Tuscaloosa. Anniston, only 99. But unfortunately, numbers should be a degree or two hotter today. And yeah, dry, convective outlook today. Any storms up on the northern periphery of the heat bubble. Maybe some severe weather for places like Chicago and Indianapolis and Des Moines today. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening and next week. We might begin to see a few scattered showers next week, and, you know, that's not what we need, but we'll take what we get. As the heat ridge weakened just a little bit, but, you know, it's the pop-up afternoon variety. And the tropics are quiet. What's left of Debbie is just fizzling out, and a little disturbance in the Atlantic, well to the east of the Windward Islands, not looking very impressive, and tropical storm formation not expected for a while. All right, let's take a look. Modeling the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock this afternoon. That 594 circle tells the story. Tomorrow, heights are down ever so slightly, but not much, and Sunday it's the same deal. So let's look at the actual temperature scheme coming off the GFS. This is tomorrow, and the triple digits extend from Jackson up to Richmond. Sunday, core of the heat should, if this is right, would be over parts of West Alabama and the Black Belt. And Monday, no real change, although numbers are down just a little bit. Still highs around 100. And finally on Tuesday, still, we've got triple digits showing up there. And then Wednesday, the numbers come down into the 90s. So, it's very conceivable with a dry ground like this, dry soil. We could run through Tuesday of next week with triple digits. That'd be a long stretch. Go to Wednesday at the surface, and this is the 4th of July, of course. Really not much in the way of showers. There might be a few pop-up showers and storms, but it looks like not many. Certainly nothing to interfere with those 9 o'clock fireworks shows. Thursday, moisture's up a little bit. And a week from today, that looks a little more encouraging as the heights are down, moisture levels are up, and that suggests a better chance of scattered showers and storms on July the 6th. We'll check the end of the forecast. That looks pretty good. The heat is back in the four corners, back in the southwest. Heights are down, a little trough to the west, and just maybe a pretty decent chance of scattered, maybe numerous showers and storms, if this is right. We'll just watch the trends. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 3:30 or so today. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News on the live stream of the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.